description.
Well, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I want to thank James from Lakeside, California for sending this one over. This is Smoko Spicy Instant Noodle Soup. Apparently Smoko is a company that does all these little cutesy licensable characters, and they're cutesy. So yeah, interesting. So that's what we are putting together today. Spicy beef. Sounds like fun. So today is still October 18th, 2025. October. Wow. The gateway drug to December, I guess. I don't know. Time flies. And time counts and keeps count. That's a quote from Mad Max Beyond Thunderdome. Alright, so the pot that I usually use that has the lip on it is in the dishwasher. I didn't want to hand clean it, so I'm using the pot that doesn't have the lip on it, and we're going to see if this goes okay. I really am hopeful. It went relatively well. We need 3 minutes on the timer. Thank you, timer. Not leaking. However, it is wet, and so now I have to dry things. God, it's gotten dark out there. I think we're looking at rain coming soon. Speaking of darkness and brightness, I didn't plan that. This is actually an apt thing. So, I don't know. Maybe by the time this comes out, I still haven't figured it out. But what I want to do, so I'm always wearing the shades. That's because I'm light sensitive. And what I want to do is I want to have I've got a little macro keyboard, right? Anyways, I got a new monitor. It's great. I love it. My wife got it for me. And yeah, so what I want to do is I want to have a button that changes the brightness of my screen. So mainly, I think the most logical thing would be to tap in to the video card and tell it brightness down to whatever, say 20. And you push it again, and it switches to a different profile where the brightness is, say, 80. Because when I wear my shades, it's fine. When I take them off, it's like staring into the sun. And I don't really want to wear my shades at 11 p.m. to work on the computer. So, not that I really do a lot of that, but, in the evening, I like to wear my regular spectacles. But I can't figure it out. I can't find, there's no Windows way to do it. There were a couple apps was it Twinkle Light? Something like that. There was Monetarian, Monitor, EN. There were a few of them, and honestly, they seem to actually make my monitor unhappy. The Twinkle Light one worked, and it had the option to put hotkeys in there, so I could basically, with the thing, push one, it would trigger one hotkey, push the thing, it would trigger the other hotkey. However, the hotkeys, they don't work, and when you reboot it, then it doesn't work at all. So that's stupid. I don't know. I'm at a loss, and a lot of people, I guess, have been asking for some kind of fix for this. to be able to do that. Nobody's gotten that fixed. So I'm irritated. I really would like to have it work. Let me make sure that this is 3 minutes. I'm pretty darn sure you get 3 minutes on this. 3 minutes, yeah. Spicy beef. That's what this is supposed to be. Spicy beef noodle. Let's turn that down a notch. So here we go. Okay. Noodle's all right. Here's our broth. Kind of a beefy vegetable affair. A bit of spiciness there. Is it good? It's not bad. Is it amazing? No. But for a cutesy tie-in noodle, I'll say that's a pretty good try. It's made in Vietnam, definitely for the US market. I'm not incredibly impressed. I'm not depressed. Some scallion. It's beef, so when it's beef, I like to use Chinese sausage. Because that nice man told me that in Hong Kong, if you get a beef noodle, you add Chinese sausage. So that's what I did. I've been doing that for like over 10 years now since the guy mentioned it. Seemed logical. The guy knows what he's talking about too. It's good. Chinese sausage is good stuff. I'm actually starting to see it at our local grocer, which is a real surprise because it's mostly shelf stable, so that's how it's been on the shelf, hanging out. A little crushed red pepper. And there we are, our Smoko. I don't know why it's called Smoko, folks. I really don't understand. Plenty of things I don't understand, but like, why is it so hard to center this thing? But, you know. Well, the music says that we're done with this one. And I think I'm going to agree. Not bad, not earth-shaking. But now we're on to the third one of the day. At least for my day. Yours, it's 3 days in a row. But this is Nora Kitchen Kare Kare. Beef flavor with savory peanut sauce noodle. This sounds interesting, and I'm excited to try it. So that'll be on the next episode of the show. Like, subscribe if you feel so inclined, and yeah, I'll catch you on the flip. Have a good one. Bye-bye.